Welcome to another lesson of UI and UX. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the difference between UI and UX. Well, before getting into our practical lesson, we need to have a basic idea about what UI and UX is. So let's start knowing of what UI and UX is. UI, user interface, and UX, user experience, are both important aspects of designing digital products such as websites, mobile apps, or software interfaces. While they are closely related, they focus on different aspects of the user interaction and overall satisfaction with the product. Let's say we are using a software or an application, and how the appearance of that software or that application and how it is, and the user's experience, well, all of them are UI and UX. Well, UI stands first because that is the user interface, which is the interface which opens up such as a software and how it actually looks like. And while the UX is user experience and what a person or a user gets from it, and that is UX. Then let's start knowing individually what UI and UX is. UI refers to the visual elements and design of this interface that user interact with. It encompasses the graphical layout, buttons, icons, typography, colors, and overall aesthetics of the user interface. UI design aims to create an attractive and visual pleasing interface that is easy to navigate and understand. I will also give you an example later on. Then, UX, on the other hand, refers to the overall experience a user has while interacting with the product. It encompasses the entire user journey from the first interaction to the final goal or outcome. UX design focuses on making the interaction smooth, intuitive, and meaningful, ensuring that users can easily accomplish their task and have a positive experience. So, to better understand the difference between UI and UX, let's take a look at some visual examples. So you can see on my right side I have a photo, even though it's just like cut. So user interface UI example. The image besides showcase the user interface design of a weather app. It highlights the visual elements such as icons, typography, colors, and layouts. The UI design aims to present the information in a visually appealing and organized manner. Okay, so that is what basically UI is. While user experience, which is UX, example is that the image besides showcase the user experience design of an e-commerce website. It illustrates the user journey from the homepage to the checkout process, including steps such as product browsing, adding item to the cart, and completing the purchase. UX design focuses on streamlining the process, ensuring that users can easily find and buy products with minimal friction. Okay, there are like a lot of e-commerce websites and all of the interfaces are UX. Okay, so in summary, UI design deals with the visual aspects and aesthetics of the interface, while UX design focuses on the overall user experience and ensuring that users can accomplish their task efficiently and with satisfaction. Both UI and UX are crucial in creating successful digital products that meet the needs and expectations of users. So let's go over to our web browser and show you another example of what UI and UX is. You can see that this is the UI of a weather app. You can see the visual representation of how it basically is. Okay, you can see how it is constructed, the typography, the photo, then all of the icons and all together make up the UI. Okay, and about the UX, let's go off to Amazon.com and you can see that we have this user experience. Let's say from here we can select on any product and then actually buy it until like the last process. Okay, so that is basically the UX, user experience. Okay, you can see you can just add to cart, buy now, and then do a lot of stuffs according to that, like paying up online. So that is basically UX. So now you know the difference about UI and UX. So let's move on to our next lesson.